Hey guys, here's a plant spot and lineups you can use to see the spike from most places. You're going to plant on top of this belt that sticks out from the boxes. You can go heaven, watch from long on both sides, or from short with this plant spot.
Here.
Stand beside the sandbags and move the normal default lineup to match the next HUD line to the left. And
Placing
just
swarm
left click
grenade.
throw.
Swarm grenade out.
For a CT lineup, stand at
Here.
this box. Aim at the bottom middle of the second beam after the last red beam and left click throw.
Placing swarm grenade.
These both will cover the spike.
Swarm grenade out.